Hello, Jason here from septictank.co.uk. Welcome to another live broadcast. If you're looking for a small septic tank that's ideal for stables, for outhouses, for workshops, for glamping, for caravans, for tents, for granny annexes, whatever, then you've come to the right place. The small septic tank that I'm talking about is called the Cube septic tank, and I'm going to show you a bit more about that in a minute. But what's so great about it is I've been in this business for 20 years and it's one of my most popular selling small septic tanks. It's called the Cube septic tank, and so it's called a cube because it's cube shaped. It literally is 1.2 meters tall, 1.2 meters long and 1 meter wide. Comes with a free riser on the top of it, comes with the lid, comes with everything rather. It literally takes, man alive, half an hour to install. So look, let me show you a little bit more now about this amazing small septic tank. Have a look at this. The Cube septic tank is the UK's best-selling small septic tank. It's easy to install. It's ideal for mobile homes, stables, farms, caravans, tents, outbuildings, etc. And it's available for next day delivery. So it's not hard to see why this is the best-selling small septic tank in the UK.